come all the way to Germany to talk about the milestone Gibela reached recently, so that's quite exciting. I'm with Irene, chairwoman of the board here.
You can be chairman, chair, it doesn't matter, it means the same.
So congratulations on your milestone. For my audience who's watching, tell us about what you guys have just achieved.
Just to start off with, Gibela is a partnership between Alstom and a local triple BEE partner, which are women-led. They operate the largest manufacturing factory in South Africa, based in the East Rand. It's 52,000 square meter of factory. We have the latest technology there, local suppliers supplying, and Gibela recently celebrated the delivery of 100 train sets to PRASA. One of our major other achievements is we are manufacturing now 6 train sets a month. It's world class. We are one of very few manufacturing entities in the world who actually produce 6 train sets a month. Now these train sets that people must know will change the lives of ordinary people in South Africa. The opportunity is great for us because I think we have the opportunity to deliver and manufacture passenger trains across the continent. We can do it for sub-Saharan Africa as well as for the rest of Africa. It's a huge opportunity. So I invite people, potential rail customers, come and have a look at our factory. 52,000 square meters of factories with the latest technology. And by the way, we employ just over 1,000 people, and of those people, 60% are young people and over 50% are women. And they all qualified in the technical field, etc. So we're very excited about this.
The potential for you to expand the product portfolio, especially with your relationship, I'm assuming, with Alstom, to supply into the rest of Southern Africa, it's big.
It's massive, it's massive. This particular project has developed local suppliers. What is very significant, there's been a transfer of technology to South Africans locally. We have been able to develop small to medium enterprises that manufacture parts, to the extent that as we are standing here now, we have just on about 52% of our components are manufactured in South Africa. The target by PRASA is that we need to go up to 65%, and we are not far from achieving that.
Yes.
Now, what is very significant as well in terms of the opportunity is we will be developing, in partnership with our local BE partner, a supplier park just next to the factory. There's a big piece of land that is available now. It's been bought by the Department of Transport. That is available for us to develop a supplier park. So all the suppliers, international suppliers, could now partner with local people and then localize the manufacturing of the components from the supplier park, as well as the locals can also work from them. Because you know that in South Africa, most of the objective is to have the East Rand as the rail hub, remember?
Yes, yes.
So with that type of factory, the opportunity just building around that, you know, it's huge.
Yes.
So I'm excited at the opportunity for Southern, or in fact, let's say sub-Saharan Africa.
Yes.
Huge opportunity, massive. We can project manage as Gibela. We could, because the skill sets are there now.
Yes.
You know, hands-on experience, world-class technology through our partners as well. You know, so it's a fantastic opportunity for everyone. And so for us, it's not going to stop on just producing the 600 trains. We can produce more. We have the capacity to do more.
Yes.
And even the space to put in another production line. That's opportunity.
Fantastic.